Hi, Bob Shannon, bobshannon.org. For those who are seeing Mountain Wind Family videos for the first time, there are about 25 of them on YouTube now, and they're on a channel, but you can go to the YouTube site and just type in Mountain Wind Family, and they're all tied in together. I just thought I'd let you know because they're sort of discombobulated. They're out of order. So there's it isn't written chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, that sort of thing. Or you can go to bobshannon.org, and then down at the bottom of the first page you'll see a little square box that says Reincarnations. And click on it and you'll see somewhere in there Coyote, A Guide to Mountain Wilderness Survival Living, something like that. Coyote, anyway, A Guide to Surviving in the Wilderness. It's an online book I wrote and it's free. Okay, on to this, which we call the interview. This is an interview with 3 of our younger kids. And it's about how they are taking it. This is done in 1991, and this is our 3rd Christmas in the mountains in the heavy snows. So we do have TV now. We do have TV. We get 3 stations off a repeater at that time. When I say now, I mean then. Right, cool. Bye. Okay, somebody asked David a question.
David, how are you?
Where is the tissue? How old are you? That's right.
What's that number?
What number is that?
9, 4, 3, 4.
What season do you like best?
Summer.
Summer? What do you do in the summer?
Ride my bike and don't slide.
And don't.
You want to blow your nose? Here. Wipe your nose.
What kind of bike is it, Dave? Scooter.
A potato bike?
Scooter.
A scooter.
A scooter.
You want to go show us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you like winter?
Yes?
Why?
Because it's natural.
What's your best season?
Winter.
Yeah, what do you do in the winter?
Sled.
You sled a lot?
Yeah.
Do you ride your bike in the snow?
Yes.
Whose bike works better, yours or Billy's? In the
Mine.
snow. Why?
Because it's traction.
You have bigger tires.
Yeah.
What happens to Billy's bike when he rides?
He spins out.
Thanks for that Coke, Dan.
Yeah. He spins out and slides.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Would you like to show us your bike and ride it out the window and we can see it if you ride it over there? Where you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now where's Polly? Here comes Polly with the bike.
Oh.
There's Polly. Oh, look at the video. It'll slide probably.
Yeah, he says he has such good traction. It's pretty slippery out there.
His chain's gonna fall off. Mine slides too much and Polly's chains fall off. Here comes David on a scooter. He's running it.
He doesn't like to wear coats.
Well, it's blurry.
Can't see them anymore. We need Billy.
No.
Billy!
Honey, I said don't roll it yet.
Uh-oh. Hi.
PJ just cut your hair, didn't she?
Hi.
What have you been doing all morning?
Sitting in the car in town,
No, I mean since you've been home.
playing Legos.
You got those for Christmas from
You?
not. Oh yeah, I bought your present and I had your name. We saw the windmill. I think that was on the tape.
That was big. Me, Chris, and Donnie did that.
Danny, you interview him.
Okay.
Down next to him.
Where do you live?
How do you like the snow?
I like it and I hate it.
Why? Why do you like it?
Because you get to sled in it.
Why do you hate it?
Because it's cold.
What season do you like best?
Winter.
Yeah? Why don't you like summer?
Because there's too many bees.
How about spring?
It's too muddy.
How about fall?
There's still bees.
So it'd be safe to say that you don't like bees?
I hate bees.
Are you sure? What do you do when you see a bee?
I scream.
And then what do you do?
I run in the house.
Where do you spend most of your time in the summer?
In the house.